Hi, I'm Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com. We share creative PowerPoint ideas to help professionals like you create engaging presentations. One of the questions that I get frequently asked is, Ram, you're so good with PowerPoint custom animation. You make it look so easy. Where did you learn the skill? My answer is, I don't have any special inborn talent with PowerPoint custom animation. I learned it by the usual trial and error method. But the difference is, I didn't learn it under any strict deadlines or under any pressure. I just enjoyed the learning process. To help you understand this better, let me ask you a question. Do you remember how you learned to draw when you were a kid? You didn't start by saying, I have a drawing project to deliver on Monday, so let me start learning. Or, I have senior managers from headquarters visiting us this Wednesday, so I need to create masterpieces like Rembrandt or Da Vinci right now. You learned to draw without any pressure. You just took a pencil, crayon, chalk or whatever you could lay your hands on and started drawing. You then built on what came out and kept improving. You didn't have a set place and time to draw. You just drew anytime and anywhere. You explored, you experimented, you copied what you saw, and you learned to look closer and deeper. You tried to understand how shapes worked. You experimented with colors. You used simple templates to draw. You traced around a leaf or your hand. For you, drawing was not a skill you had to master. It was a fun thing to do. So you were never afraid to keep it messy. That is how any learning happens. Remember, you need to go through this level before you could get to this level. But how you see this level is where the difference lies. If you feel dejected and give up saying, oh, drawing is not for me, then you will never get there. To improve in any skill, you require practice. Not the hard practice of a perfectionist who wants to reach Olympics, but the fun practice of a child who enjoys the process. Start small. Do small projects. If you want to learn custom animation, just play with the various tools in animation and see how they work. Set a time aside to enjoy practicing. Watch and follow some of our simple tutorials. If you want a proper guidance and are willing to afford some money, then join our Ramgopals PowerPoint Mastery program to learn systematically. As you keep copying, following, experimenting, you will get an intuitive understanding of how the program works and you will learn how to get any result you want. You will keep getting new ideas to mix and match. New ways to use the tools. That is when creating these graphics and visuals becomes a fun experience for you. You will learn to visualize any idea better. Your slides will look simple, clean and clear. Your stories will be understood and appreciated by your audience and you make memorable presentations. So don't see creating slides as a task you get to only when you have a presentation to deliver. You will never improve your skills that way. You start building your skills when you don't have the pressure of a tight deadline. The skills you build that way will come in quite handy when you do need to create a key presentation under tight deadlines. A good place to start is a short and simple course called Creative PowerPoint Slide Design and Animation course. In this course, I teach you how to design 25 simple slides that cover all your essential slide types. While this course is part of Ramgopal's PowerPoint Mastery program, you can buy it individually for a small one-time price. You will learn the basic design principles and workflow to create professional-looking slides quickly and easily. Join the course and start practicing. Just enjoy the learning process. So the next time you have a key presentation to make, you will approach the project with a lot more confidence. So go ahead and click on the link in the description box below the video to check out our PowerPoint slide design and animation course. I promise you it will definitely be worth your time.